The Publishers tab is where a broker can manage syndication selections within his or her ListHub dashboard. There are 3 sub-tabs here on the Publisher page, each with a unique function. First, the My Publishers tab displays those publishers that the broker has selected for syndication. At the top, you'll see a summary of how many publishers you're syndicating to, as well as how many are available. If you ever wish to stop syndicating your listings to a publisher, just check the box next to the publisher name and then click the Remove Selected button. Next, the Publisher Choices tab contains all of the publishers that are available for selection, as well as detailed information about each of those publishers. This information is available to support brokers in making educated syndication selections. You can select any of the criteria here in the Filter Publishers section to filter the publishers and display only those that meet the selected criteria. To learn more about the meaning of each of the criteria points, just hover your mouse over the help icon. You can also see basic information about each publisher at a glance, such as whether or not the publisher has an extended network of sites that they power, the overall number of filtering criteria that the publisher meets, and the overall broker rating for the publisher. To learn even more about an individual publisher, just click the publisher name. In this publisher detail page, you'll be able to view that site's terms of use, a link to their website, and a full website description. You can also easily view the links to the publisher's extended network, and by clicking Ratings, you'll have the ability to rate and share your opinion about this publisher with other brokers. Lastly, the Publisher Settings tab is where you can tell ListHub whether or not you want to automatically begin syndicating to new publishers as they join ListHub in the future. To activate this feature, under the Auto Subscribe options, select the Enabled setting to Yes. If you wish to make this decision on an individual basis for each publisher that's added to the network, select No. You may also limit your auto subscriptions to apply only to new publishers that meet specific criteria that are important to you. Just put a check mark next to the filter you want and then click the Save Settings button. If you auto subscribe using filters, these settings will apply as publishers are added to the ListHub network or as publishers change their practices and meet or fail to meet these criteria over time. Thanks for taking the time to learn about ListHub.